Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vishal. Good morning for everyone. So right now we'll make one great setup for everyone. This is a dollar. Our SL will be here 10451 and first target here 10397 and second target 10375. I hope you execute your trade also here. This is dollar, right? And this is a gold. You already execute our trade in the good morning trade, and your SL will be 2011 your SL. Okay, and your target first will be 2031, and you can close your trade and you can trail your trade also. And this is second target your 2037. Well, we can reach here. Okay, and BTC, which BTC is going on, we can't break the level here. I just show you here. It's risky right now, but I hope it will be break this one level. But already before we close some pointed here, and we have to again sail from here to here. I just sail from in here to here, but little bit we are in losses. But make sure, guys. I think it's very difficult to break this one level, but it's totally upside the game, right? You can see it's totally uptrend. If it's break out this one level, it definitely be come down, right? So it is important to break this one level here, 5300. 50,300. If is break out this one level, continuously we can sell, but we have to break out that one level also. And this is the way. If is break out this one and that one, and you can see 1 week what's going on in the 1 week. This is the same, guys. I just telling last video, cup and holder. I just wait for a little bit making a holder here. If it's not making, it's very difficult, guys, to sail from here. But it's finally this is the level here, 48, 47, 48 maybe, right? 40 to 40 maybe. Okay, guys, so this is the way we have to wait from here to here. Okay, and let's hope we will make here profit, but it's very difficult to break this one level. It's still upside, guys, market. So I hope if it's going to jump like that, but nobody know actually. So put your SL all the times if you want to sell, and if you want to buy also. Market can go anywhere here. So that's only for suggestions, and you can use your own strategies. What do you think, like, about the BTC? Because it's totally absent, it can't break out the level anything here. And but we are only selling, we can only sell, we can't buy from here because here it is support level. He's walking or support on the support level here. It's on the support level also, and you can break this one level. It's totally upside and upside again, single form upside. Just we just go up upside, right? So it is was very difficult for us here, but okay, right, let's see how it's going. Okay, guys, so this is we already close here and we just wait for the next setup. Let's see, guys, if we are see here anything bigger cautionary here. So we have still in the ceiling, this is our target here, but let's see, we have to wait for a little bit more signals and more invitations here where I execute my trade here. Oh, guys, let's come to bank nifty and nifty today, how we can work today in bank nifty. Let's see, guys. So this is the bank nifty here. So this is a level here. यहाँ पे एक लेवल है. सो दिस इज 46,300. तो यहाँ पे इस लेवल से अगर मार्केट ऊपर जाने की चांसेस में ज़्यादा रहेगी. ठीक है, ये ट्रेंड लाइन है. इस ट्रेंड लाइन को अगर टेस्ट करता है तो मार्केट फिर से मूव हो सकती है नीचे की तरफ. बट हमने इस लेवल को ब्रेकआउट कराना है. यहाँ से हम बाय करके चलेंगे यहाँ तक. अगर ये ब्रेकआउट करता है इस लेवल, अगर नीचे डाउन साइड खुलती है तो हम यहाँ से बाय करेंगे इस ट्रेंड लाइन से. और ऊपर का हमारा ये रहेगा. ठीक है, तो इस ट्रेंड लाइन से ऊपर जाएगी तो हम सिर्फ बाय करके चलेंगे. अगर इस ट्रेंड लाइन से नीचे रहेगा तो हम सिर्फ सेल करके चलेंगे. फिर हमने इस ट्रेंड लाइन को ब्रेकआउट करवाना है. फिर नीचे टारगेट रहेगा 44,400 के करीब करीब हमारा टारगेट इसमें रहेगा. ठीक है गाइस, सो दिस इज हियर निफ्टी. तो निफ्टी पे भी यही है, इस लेवल को ब्रेकआउट करवाना है. अगर कैप्टन खुलता है, अगर इसके ऊपर ही मार्केट जाती है, इसके ऊपर ही जाती है, तो हम यहाँ पे इस तरह से हम इसके ऊपर ही बाय करके रखेंगे. और जब तक इसके ऊपर आएगी तो हम बाय करेंगे. अगर इसके नीचे मार्केट खुलती है इस वे से और इस लेवल से हम फिर बाय करेंगे. अगर इस लेवल को ब्रेक करती है तो यहाँ से अगर मूव होती है मार्केट इस लेवल से तो हम यहाँ से सेल करेंगे और इसको ब्रेकआउट कराएंगे. और हमारा रहेगा अगला टारगेट 21,500 के करीब करीब. सो अपसाइड का हमारा मूव यही रहेगा कि यहाँ से ऊपर रहनी चाहिए या फिर यहाँ इस लेवल से फिर से हम बाय कर सकते हैं. 21,800 से फिर बाय करेंगे हम. फिर हम अपसाइड का मूव देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, अदरवाइज इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट कि हम यहाँ पे सेल करें क्योंकि अपसाइड ही मूव है सबसे ज़्यादा. तो अपसाइड का मूव ज़्यादा करेंगे हम यहाँ पे. अगर ब्रेकआउट करता है ट्रेंड लाइन तो वी कैन सेल, बट अपसाइड मूव ज़्यादा हम कैप्चर कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. राइट, सो आई होप गाइज यू अंडरस्टैंड हियर. लुक एट हियर, दिस इज टोटली मार्केट डाउन साइड, but you can keep your sale as sale here to here and still we can make it. But it is the next here to nothing much. Okay, so BTC is giving me a big ad. This is BTC, right? You can't break out any. This one trend line we can't break out. This one level they can't break out again. But it is totally fake breakout downside and showing upside totally. Let's see, guys. It's making. This is the level. Last level. We will close our trade here. With profit and in losses. But it's dangerous for us to need to close our trades quite timely. And okay, if I see here bigger candle and breakout this one, I want to I can add or some quantity, but otherwise we have in danger zone. It's totally upside uptrend, and we are in we take wrong way, right? So we are against trend, right? So this uptrend. Okay, let's see, guys. We can achieve something is good because we already achieved something. This one, two candle, three candle is enough for us, right? So if we see we are see all one more, two more candles here, so we can catch up to capture here, right? So if it's possible for us, we can capture a little bit more profit. One more trade here, right? Okay, so let's see, guys. Today, Bank Nifty, we will make a little bit more profit. More also Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is our setup here, and this is here also. You can see this is the trip here. Buy or sale is confirmation in this area, and this area we have to buy or sell confirmation. So we have to decide Dow Zone, right? So let's see, guys. Here we can see here Dow Zone. Okay, so market will tilt down upside, right? Zone, what's going on in the markets? Breakout level is confirmations. We can sell. We can sell the market. We can sell because it's totally going upside. Dow Zone is going down, and yeah, Bank Nifty we can sell. But see, it's quite difficult to knowing with a bit more profit and put losses here. Oh guys, let's see guys how we can see here. This is our zone. Maybe we can sell our nifty and bank nifty, right? If we break this one level and this one level here, this one level, market is open same level, I think. So let's make a deal. This is the same scenario as upside, so we can sell. Today it's selling. I will sell nifty and bank nifty. Confirmation says in 70 to 80% I'm sale. I will be sell nifty and bank nifty. And let's see. Okay, guys, I hope you understand here what we are discuss about the Nifty, Bank Nifty, Euro USD, dollar, and whatever, right? So just you can execute your trade also. And how can you make your own strategies? Just you can follow your own strategies, right? But how much you need to lose your money, you have to write on a book, and this your stop losses, this your everything's right. Put your SL, how much you have to lose, how much you have capitals, you have to discuss about with yourself this one, right? So don't be open your trade blindly, no. Just calculate everything, and when you execute your trade in a system, and before you sit on a system, right? So we have to see the chart level in 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, right? And again make strategies for a day, for every day is what you follow, right? Your rules and your disciplines, everything's, and close your eyes, put your system, everything. This is your hustle, this is your target. Put your hustle, just walk away from the market and go enjoy, right? This is a way actually the systematically trade. Otherwise you will be confused. Sometimes you see red candle, green candle, you will be totally confused, right? If you see one hour, two candles is big candles. So look at here. If you see like that, this is your big candle here. There's two, three candles in 1 hour red candle. That's enough for your profit, right? Book your profit in two, three candles in 1 hour candles, right? So that's it. Bigger profits for you. Don't need to wait for a long disclosure trade, right? So it's enough some time. I hope you understand, guys. And let's see. I hope BTC with us. Just want to be one more trade here. Keep break out this one level. I just we execute my trade here to here. Guys, I'm going to see one big candle like this. Let's okay, guys. I hope you understand lots of things from our video. And if you like our videos and our ideas, our strategies, what I make, it's everything in front of you guys. What I make our strategies here. I'm just making in a systems, everything's. I just open my 4 hours time frame. I saw trend line, support level, resistance level. No need to see anything. Just breakout, bias, down, breakout, sale, the support resistance level, the trend line levels, and see 1 15 minutes again. You will go 15 minutes again. See there are some levels, and just buy from there and sell from there, whatever. Right. So this is your own strategies. Make own strategies and stay with your strategies. Just like it's not about you change your strategies one day. You just make another day just new set of strategies. No, stay with your one strategies. Follow your strategies. It's all about you, right? I hope you understand this one. And otherwise, we can make more profit, right, from the markets. Thank you.